Hi there, I'm Fox 6 Chief Meteorologist JP Dice checking in with you this evening, and get ready. We are looking at some hotter temperatures as we make our way through Thursday and Friday. During the afternoon, highs making their way up into the lower 90s. Last time we were in the lower 90s, that was last September. We are talking about some hot temperatures. By the way, I want to start with the picture tonight, and this is from Commerce, Colorado. This is the Dick's Sporting Goods Stadium out there. And can you see all that white? That's not snow. That's actually hail. Just incredible severe weather today in Colorado. Numerous tornado warnings, some impressive looking clouds. Some of you may have seen some of these pictures floating around on social media. Back to our local forecast, and we're not expecting any kind of severe weather, nothing like that. In the morning, temperatures in the mid-60s. By mid-morning, we'll be around 78, 80 degrees. Then heading into the afternoon, warming up to around 90. So a nice warm-up. You'd see a little bit of rain up to the north of us, but for us, we are going to stay dry. No chance of rain here tomorrow. We are going to be looking at a slightly better chance of rain as we get toward the weekend. This evening, still, temperatures fairly warm, 81 degrees with a west wind at about 8 miles per hour. Maybe you have beach plans this weekend. Memorial Day weekend, temperatures in the mid-70s. As far as the water temperature, the air temperature, 85 to 89 degrees. Lots of sunshine with just a few scattered clouds. Staying closer to home, the weekend grillcast. Saturday, mostly sunny. Isolated shower possible Sunday, mainly in our easternmost counties. So east of Interstate 65, a little bit better chance of some rain. And on Memorial Day, temperatures in the upper 80s with a 20% chance of showers. Here's a look at our forecast tonight. Temperatures down right around 65 degrees. It is going to be clear out there. And the extended outlook, take a look at the numbers. 90 for Thursday and Friday. 20% chance of rain Sunday and Monday. A little bit better chance of rain as we get midweek. There's a look at our weekend forecast. Partly cloudy on Saturday and Sunday. 88 the high temperature on Sunday. Keeping you up to date all the time on the line. You can find me on Facebook and, of course, on Twitter. We'll see you later and, of course, right here on Fox 6 News.